Yo, it's your main man Mo Love coming at you live and direct out here in the elements, you dig? We out here in it. Out here in it, you dig? If you don't believe me, here, take a look for yourself. Say what we doing? We trucking, baby. We trucking, baby. Just had to check in with y'all real quick, man. Flex to flex, you know what I'm talking about? Cold out here, but what are you gonna do about it? The same as when you get in the seat, you buckle up, you dig? You get ready for the ride. That's all you can do, you dig? So how's y'all day going? Fantastic. That's the way it's supposed to go. Woo! Well, y'all don't want to believe it, but wow, look at here. Wow, look at here. They can't handle the truth. That's the problem. They can't handle the truth. I miss the truth. You dig? They can't handle the truth. So this is what I'm doing, y'all. Right now. You dig? That's how it goes down. And out here, man. Just finished the load a couple, 2-3 hours ago. Well, early this morning, to be honest with you. Yeah. Yeah. From Minnesota here to let me see. Fremont, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Fremont, really. From Solway, actually it's from Solway, Minnesota, right? And brought it from Solway, Minnesota, all the way here last night to Fremont, Nebraska. And that's how it goes down. Real spit dripping, y'all. Lifestyle. lifestyle, baby. Well, I'm gonna get off, y'all. See if I can't catch me a shower right quick. Wash my balls. Wash my balls. Alright, Facebook family and friends, enough of the junkies.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. The consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence. Dreams and some modest.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get off, man. I'm back at y'all later. Your main man, more love coming at you. Don't forget to go over and run. To check out my YouTube channel if you want to. Because whatever I do over here, I put the videos over there.
Going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.